This morning we've got a bit of a renovation project to show you in Patio Los Naranjos. It's a very popular complex, just a few minutes walk away from the bowling green, from the restaurants, from the cafes and from the shops. This is a middle floor apartment, but there's no stairs on entry. We'll go over to the front door and you can see that the entrance is flat from the footpath. There's parking nearby. There's a few car parks dotted around the complex. The nearest car parking area is just down there. So let's have a look at the kitchen to start with. You can see it has a separate utility area. A lot of people who live here have opened these areas up to create a breakfast bar, American kitchen. There's a lot of light that would come in through here in the morning. Back into the living room. This apartment is 119 square meters, so very good size for a two-bedroomed apartment. You can see it's got a real fireplace. Also, the owners have installed air conditioning. It's a corner property, so extra light coming in through the sides. It's the master bedroom. Fitted wardrobes. Plenty of space. Family bathroom. Second bathroom just through here. And again, a large second bedroom. Plenty of wardrobes. Patio Los Naranjos is popular with people who spend longer holidays here or the winter because of the larger format of the apartments compared to some of the others that are next to the restaurants and the shops. Let's take another look out on the terrace. You can walk through the complex to get to the bowling green. There's a community swimming pool just in front of this building. And I don't know if you can see, but I can just see the Mediterranean.